Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download MyEtherWallet in MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your app store on your MacBook. And you should also know that MyEtherWallet is only available on Android or iPhone devices, and for book it is Encrypt Web Wallet. Simply type in Mu Crypto Wallet on the search bar and you can find the Encrypt Web3 Wallet app. So simply tap on Get and Install and type in the ID and password for your sign-in requirement. So once you are done typing in the password of your Apple ID, you will be all set to download the Encrypt Web3 wallet, which is powered by MyEtherWallet app. So once the installation gets completed after it is downloaded on your MacBook, you can simply find it in your launchpad and simply open your Encrypt app on your MacBook. So this is how you download MyEtherWallet or Encrypt app on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.